Na si Arsenal watapasuka msamba. Today's Champions League highlights stress that Mikel Arteta's Arsenal FC eliminated Diego Simeone's Atletico Madrid to make it to their first ever Champions League final in the Emirates generation. Oh my God. Okay, Arsenal. Mumenusia Champions League. Na Arsenal wamenusia Champions League, wamenusia Premier League. Si watapasuka msamba. Wataezana kweli. Anyways, congratulations to Arsenal FC for making it to your first ever Champions League final in the Emirates generation. Okay, I know you have your hopes high, but you are not going away with it. Today, Champions League night, return leg of the second game. Bayern at home against PSG, who is going to the final to meet Arsenal. Yeah, PSG against Bayern Munich. Tonight, the game is hot. Remember, the aggregate is 5-4 advantage to PSG. I'm thinking if Bayern Munich will eliminate PSG, then Bayern Munich will be more hungry than Arsenal. But if PSG still eliminates Bayern Munich, maybe Arsenal wanaweza pata edge against PSG the same way Chelsea did in the World Champions finals. Yeah, so I think let's go with Bayern in the Champions League final ndo tumalize hao Arsenal. Wanajua wanaweza uma kama 6 hivi. They remember the aggregate 10-2 in the quarterfinals against Bayern Munich. Yeah, so I believe Bayern Munich will handle Arsenal better than PSG. So tonight, Bayern Munich kichwa.